welcome to Yogeya Yoga. This is Innovasana Think Tank, and I'm Antonia, and you are about to plunge into a very cool asana. It is called Sagittarius. Let's come standing. It kind of resembles the archer asanas in classical yoga, but builds on it. So stand firmly into the ground. Press through all the corners of your left foot. This is our standing leg. Bring your right knee into the chest. Open the hip out. Hug your knee closer. Yogic toe lock, the right big toe with the pointer and the middle finger. Keep that left knee bent so you can extend the right leg out. Now once you're here, this is kind of the classical pose, right? We're going to tip all the way and bring our left hand to the inner right thigh. Find your balance. Tilt more and gaze up. And here is your Sagittarius. Sorry, I couldn't hold it so long, but that's how it goes. Do it on the other side. And don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel, the most innovative YouTube yoga channel. Thank you.